Hi, I'm Ross from Earth Landscapes, and while we're in the middle of lockdown, I thought it would be a great opportunity to do a series of videos showing you what you can do in your garden in the middle of our solitary confinement. In other words, if you're like me and you weren't super organized and didn't get around to buying your plants and pots and seeds and fertilizer, etc., and now you're stuck with time on your hands and no way to do all those garden tasks that you wish you had time on your hands for, then watch this space. Or maybe you're not looking forward to getting into your garden, but things are getting out of hand fast. But let me see if I can make it fun for you. I'm going to show you how to make your own plants just using the existing plants in your garden, so that by the time lockdown is over, you'll have your own little nursery just to fill up those little empty spots in your garden. We'll look at how to make your own compost and fertilizer just using common household ingredients. And if you can find that old lawnmower gathering dust at the back of your garage, pull it out, dust it off, and I'll give you a few tips on how best to cut your lawn. I'll even show you where you can find pots to start growing your new garden in, and plenty other tips and tricks to get you gardening in lockdown. So let's get gardening.